What's up everyone, this is Invest4More and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you my deeper node, Genesis node. It's limited edition. There are 1000 in the world for this gold plated miner, Genesis miner. Okay, Genesis node miner. Actually it's gold plated, 24 karat. Big shout out to Dirty Crypto. He has a YouTube channel. I know him from the beginning of Deeper Network. I didn't get in his pre-sale, guys. His channel, Telegram channel, I'm gonna put in the description. Join the channel, the Telegram channel, and thank you guys. Thank you Dirty for the opportunity to get the information about Deeper Network. I feel bad because I didn't had liquidity money at that time for getting in the pre-sale. I know you guys who was in the Dirty Crypto community on the Telegram, they got 50x I think, or 60x from the pre-sale price to until now. So guys, thank you for everything. Again, I will see you guys in Dirty Crypto chat on the Telegram. Okay, to get one was was minimum of stake was 20,000 of Deeper Network coins, and I staked way more than that, and I got lucky to get one this limited edition. So if you didn't check my video about Deeper Network, what they are doing, please go to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also see the video what Deeper Network is about. It's more important than, you know, to be informed than just you know, watch this video for nothing. And yeah, it's gold plated. Wow, this looks nice, very nice actually. Look at this details. So the package, as I can see here, is looks like Apple. The quality, it's Apple quality, guys, Apple quality. This one is very heavy, very strong. It's, man, trust me, it's heavy so you can broke a head with this one. Okay, I think we have a manual here. Okay, setup manual right here, how we can set up the Genesis miner. Okay, let me see what's under. The quality is very good, the package, the everything. It's, and this one, man, this one, it's heavy, really heavy, trust me. Okay, we have the charger here and the Ethernet cable right here. So I have to plug here my from the modem to here, and from here to the wireless. Okay, so this one is in between the modem and the wireless router. Okay, and that's it, guys. Gonna show you more videos on Deeper Network later on my channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Like this video, comment if you have any questions about Deeper Network, about mining. Let me know. I'm gonna answer. And yeah, guys, look at this. It's a gold plated, dude. 1000 in the whole world. Got lucky to get one. We're gonna create a huge network here. Okay, with this one I'm gonna earn, it depends, I'm gonna show you the calculator how much you can earn with this node. It depends a lot of how many coins did you stake when you got one, or you know, there are also silver plated Genesis nodes, but they are earning a little bit less than this gold one. Okay, but yeah, it's limited edition, guys. You cannot find on the internet these miners, Genesis node miners, you cannot find on the internet. Okay, the devices for you know, the connect connect mini, yeah, you can find them on eBay or somewhere, but be careful, do not buy from eBay or from their website, because with some of them you cannot mine. They are just for you know, use to get secure internet, private internet, but there are some of them, most of them, they're not for mining. Be careful what you buy from the internet. Okay, yeah, what do you think, guys? For me it looks premium, top premium. Look at this, dude. It's exactly like an Apple. And let me show you the Apple. I have Apple AirPods right here. What's the difference? Look at this, the same quality. So the same quality, look at this, how beautiful. AirPods Pro, got mine 2 years ago when they just launched. So the same quality, trust me, it's huge. Anyway, guys, more videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and join my Twitter account, which is Invest for More Crypto. See you guys over there. Bye.